Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
This is CreateNova AI, and what you're looking at is nearly 40 AI tools living under one login. Content, audio, video, images, faces, interiors, even 3D. Now, I'm not going to bore you by clicking through all 40. Instead, let me show you the moments that made me go, okay, that's impressive. Here's the first one. This is the VSL and ad copy generator. I paste in any sales page URL, hit scrape, and from that one scrape, it can generate unlimited scripts, VSLs, ad copy, whatever I need, forever. Scrape once, generate endlessly. And that's just one tool in the studio, sitting next to a full AI content generator, a prompt generator, an AI chatbot you can embed on any website, a templates library with hundreds of generators, a short video finder, and an agency panel where every user you add gets their own independent workspace. Now the audio suite, and this is where it gets a little scary. This is AI voice clone. I upload a few seconds of anyone's voice, type a script, and it speaks that script in that voice. That's it. That's the whole process. And around it, you've got 8 audio tools total. AI voiceover with 66 voices, a music generator, a full song generator that sings your lyrics, AI SFX, voice cover that re-sings any song from a YouTube link, a vocal isolator, and video dubbing that translates any MP4 into another language. Video is where most people lose their minds. Watch this one, image to video. I take one still image, any photo, any character, upload it, type a short line describing the motion, and hit generate. And that frozen picture just starts moving. One image in, a living video out. Around it sits text to video, a scene maker that builds multi-scene sequences from your images, a video upscaler, and both single and specific video swap for putting any face into any video. The image suite has 6 tools, but here's my favorite party trick, object removal. Upload a photo, paint over anything you want gone, and it's just gone next to it. An AI image generator with a full wall of art styles, a background remover that works on images and video, an image upscaler, image restoration for old photos, and image to image that can turn summer into winter with one prompt. There's a whole face and portrait section here. Face generation, precision face swaps, and this one, which might be the most practical tool in the entire app, AI headshot. I upload a normal, casual photo, describe the style I want, and it hands me back a clean professional headshot. Resume ready, profile ready, no photographer, no studio. And right below, it sits a full interior and space section. AI interior restyles any room while keeping the layout. A room decorator, floor planning that renders plans as real rooms. An exterior restorer, and a scenario changer that keeps a house intact while swapping the entire environment around it. And then there's 3D. Type a description into AI text to 3D, and it builds an actual 3D model from nothing but text. Image to 3D image turns flat pictures into rendered 3D characters, and AI Multiview takes one product photo and shows it from every angle. So that's CreateNova AI. Nearly 40 tools, one dashboard, one login. I showed you 7 of them properly. I showed you a few of them already. The rest are waiting for you inside. Thanks for watching.